everybody, it's Ms.Salazar and welcome to Grammar. So, we're going to be talking about singular and plural nouns, but we're going to be focusing more on plural nouns. Now, a singular noun, it names one person, animal, place, or thing, only one. And then a plural noun names more than one person, animal, place, or thing. Think of the word plural as adding. Plu for plus, plural, you're adding. It's going to be more than one. Adding es to make a plural. Now, this is a video that you need to watch. It's very important because it's going to explain everything. You can watch the video directly here from the presentation, but you also have the link in LMS. You see, you can click on the video and it's going to play. There you go. So collective nouns. So a collective noun is a noun that names a group of things. For example, army of soldiers. Army of soldiers. So the word army is a collective noun because it's naming a group of soldiers, right? It's a collection of things. In this case, it's a collection of people, a group of people. It's an army of soldiers. And here's another example: herd of cows, a herd of cows. So the word herd is going to be a collective noun because it's naming a group of cows. It's a collection of cows. So think of the word collective nouns as collection, a group. So whenever you see a noun that names a group of people or a group of things or a group of animals or a group of places, then it's going to be a collective noun, right? It's going to be a collection, a group of things. That's why it's called collective nouns. So remember, army of soldiers, herd of cows. Now, irregular plural nouns. Irregular plural nouns are plural nouns that are written differently. If a word ends in F, like the word elf, you take out the F and you add VES. From elf, which ends in F, you take that out and you change it to VES, elves. So you see, elf is in singular form, and then to change it into a plural, you have to take the F out and you have to add this part. So you're going to add VES. You see, that's why it's in red. So from F, it changed to this. And this is going to be the plural form, elves. And here you have some examples. Number one, the kitchen has blank, shelf or shelves. Which one is it? Which is the correct answer? If we're looking for irregular plural nouns, we have to look for the plural nouns, right? And we just said that it has to end in VES if the word in the singular form has an F. So I look at the word in the singular form, which is this one, it ends with an F. So that means that the plural form has to be this one because it ends in VES. You see? So this is going to be the correct answer. I'm going to exit here the presentation quickly so you guys can see this. So this is going to be the correct answer. It's going to be shelves. The kitchen has shelves. Now let's look at number two. The blank ate the rabbit. Is it going to be wolf or wolves? If we're looking for the irregular plural nouns, it's going to be which one? We said that F is going to be the noun that's going to be ending, right? It's going to be F if the noun is singular. But to change it into a plural, you have to change it to VES. So I see that the word wolves ends in VES. So this is going to be the correct answer. The wolves ate the rabbit. You see? Number three, farmers were able to bring the blank to safety. Is it going to be a calf or calves? So the word ends in F, but this is in the singular form. To change this into a plural, you have to add VES. So this is going to be the correct answer because this is what we're looking for. Remember that right now we're just discussing irregular plural nouns. So this is going to be the correct answer. Calves. Now, if you're wondering, what is this? This is basically a baby cow. That's what it is. It's a baby cow. So the farmers were able to bring the calves to safety. Let's see. Okay, there you go. So here we have more irregular plural nouns. And I know it can be confusing, but this just takes practice. And irregular plural nouns are just plural nouns that are written differently. Sometimes you have a plural noun that looks very different from its singular form. For example, here you have the singular form tooth, and then here you have the plural form teeth. So if you're talking about your teeth, it means that you're talking about all of them. But if you're talking only about one, then you're going to say the word tooth because this is in the singular form. Let's see number one, child and children. Which one is singular and which one is plural? Child is going to be singular. Okay. Oh, no, not plural. Child is going to be singular. And then children, we're talking about children. We're talking about a lot of kids. So this is going to be plural. Okay. Now, man, a man. This is what? This is going to be singular. So man is going to be singular. Men is going to be plural. And this can be confusing, right? But men is plural, a man is singular. And same thing with woman. Woman, a woman. This is singular. This is going to be singular and then woman. There's lots of women here. You see? Let's see. I'm going to change this. There you go. So man singular, men plural. Woman singular, woman plural. Like the pronunciations are very, very similar. But the thing that changes is that this has an A and it's singular, and then this has an E and it's plural. And same thing happens with the word man. It has an A, it's singular. Men, it has an E, it's plural. You see? People and person. Okay, well, this is kind of easy. A person. I'm talking about a person, so it's going to be singular. It's going to be one person, right? I'm talking about a person. This is going to be singular. But if I'm talking about more than one person, then I'm going to say people. People. So that's going to be plural. There you go. That's going to be plural. Now, mouse or mice. Mouse is actually singular. You see, mouse is singular, but if I'm talking about more than one, then I'm going to say mice. It's going to be mice. So mouse is singular, mice is plural. So there are different types of irregular plural nouns. In this case, you have the singular form looks one way, and then the plural form looks completely different. And then you have this type of irregular plural noun. It's that the singular form ends with an F, and then the plural form ends with a VES. So here you have different types of plural nouns. Now to practice, here you have a link, and all you have to do is click on the link. This is a game. This is another game. You can click on the link, and here you have another game. So you can click on the links right here in the presentation, but you also have the links in LMS. Now this is your assessment, page 41, 42, and 43. Collective nouns, nouns that change spelling, which is irregular nouns, and then adding es to nouns, okay? And that's why it's important for you to watch this video, because this video is about adding es to a noun to make it plural. And then you have an assessment that's about that. And that's going to be it, okay? That's going to be your assessment. And then once you're done, send the assessments to LMS in PDF format. Bye, everybody.